Hey guys, welcome to channel again. Today it's cleanup day. I got all this trash that needs to go to the dump. Just got the dump delivered. I'm gonna show you just a second, but I got all this stuff right here that needs to go to that dump. Just wanted to know what do you guys use? Do you use just the local dump trucks or do you use like a specific one? And which one is cheaper? Which one do you guys use? I use the Earth Wire. It's a local one around here. It's locally owned. I try to support locally and local businesses and stuff. But if there's anything you recommend that's cheaper than that, let me know. Cheap is always good in my opinion. But look at all this. I need to take all this to that dump. You can see that yellow up there. And I also have the windows over there that needs to go to dump that I removed. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how piece by piece I'm gonna be taking all this stuff into this dump here. I'm gonna show you over here. Here's the dump. This is the one I use. It's called the Earth Wire. Let me see if I have a label on the back here. Yeah, this is the company that I use. They're awesome. It's locally owned. If you have any other options that cheaper than these, let me know. I would appreciate that. This is a 20-foot dump. It's pretty big. I don't have much to throw in here, but I just got a 20 just in case. And then I got some stuff here in the garage as well. Mostly boxes. Those doors over there I'm going to donate, but just a bunch of these, like, they will recycle all that. So I got all that right here that's gonna go in that dump. If you have any options, just wanted to show you a little bit of what I'm gonna be doing. Let me know, and I would appreciate that. Cheap is always good in my book. All right, so I'm gonna start putting my stuff, but I have to, first of all, I have to open this. Open the back. It opens from the back here. Got it. All right, so now I think I'm gonna start with the I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start with the big stuff. So this one just opens a little bit like that because I got the door right here. But I'm gonna put this camera right here so you guys can see what I start with. I'll be going through that door right there. I will start with the larger stuff. One piece at a time. Got a door right here. One piece at a time. I think I'm gonna open this wider, like that wide. Yeah. Like that. All right, so now I can just walk straight there, or even just throw them straight in there. There we go. Sorry for the sounds, but I'm gonna start with those ones can wait. I'm gonna start with this. Let me know how you do this, or you just get a dump. I got a first dump full when I was cleaning up, so this is my second one. I got this big window. There. Okay, another big one. This is heavy. All right. I'm starting with all these windows. It's getting there. It's getting there. Another one here. All right, so I'm gonna go get the more windows back there. I replaced all this. More windows. It's a big one and heavy. All right, one more. All right. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I don't want to bore you with all this. But let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate you guys.